Guys, welcome to the video. In this video, I actually need your help with something that I've been facing for some time now. And for some time, I mean 5-6 years or something. I got this camera a long time ago. This is a Lumix G7, and I got this thing from Amazon with a whole package. Now, I really love this camera. The camera is great. It gave me some amazing quality of video throughout the years, and this thing is really amazing with everything that it does. But the microphone that this thing came with, it looked very cheap, and it was like the whole thing was plastic, low quality plastic with a round shaped out of size battery that's not even AA or AAA or anything like that. So I ended up not using it at all for all these years. After all these years, I actually we're thinking about making proper videos with good mics and everything, because I had access to good mics that I could use. Now I started using lavalier mic, and for some reason it works with every cameras that I use, but it doesn't work with this thing. It sucks, but I was trying to find a solution to this. Now I don't know what happened to it. I thought it was the camera, but it's actually not the camera. So as you can see right now, this is a DJI mic that's plugged in with a 3.5mm audio jack. It's on, and I actually recorded with this, which I will include clips of this right now. Now here's a clip of this thing using the regular microphone of the camera. This here is the audio test of the Lumix G7 with the stock mic that's in the camera right here in front of me, without anything at all, no accessories included. This is right now is being recorded at -9 decibel. Now here's an audio of this thing using the DJI mic with the camera. This is the audio test of the Lumix G7 with the DJI mic on. This here is the receiver that's on my shirt right now. This is what that sounds like. Now if you guys are wondering how this would sound with the windscreen on, this here is the windscreen right now, and this is what it sounds like. This is also being recorded at -9 decibel at the mic, and this is what it sounds like. Now the problem with this is the buzzing noise. I don't know what that is. I don't know where it's coming from. I actually ended up ordering a whole new camera because of this, and it was the same identical camera which had the same issue. I know, right? I don't know why. I tried different mics, different camera now at this point, but I still get the same noise, and it sucks that I can't use this camera for good uses, considering this thing has some amazing picture quality, and I just can't use it because it has horrible audio quality issue. And yeah, if I take this outside and I actually shoot with this, which I did for all these years before I even got this camera that I'm using, and this mic that I'm using, but this, I never used a mic with it, so for that time being it was okay. But every single videos I made, this I had, especially when I was in New York City, and every time in every shot there would be like an ambulance or fire truck that would pass by like really far away, and you could hear that thing over the dialogues. So this thing actually gave me a lot of hard time. So right now that I have access to mics, and I can use it. So if you guys know what's going on, please help me out. I actually went through Reddit, went through YouTube, and people did have issues, but they were different issues, and I never got to find what actually is going on with this issue. So yeah, if you guys know what's going on, help me out. Thanks for watching this video. See you guys next time. Peace.